Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong second quarter ng 2024, April, May, June. And this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin na ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pin comment kung paano makakapag-book. Okay, let us see, Aries, what's coming to you ngayong second quarter ng 2024 for Aries. Second quarter, April, May, June. Okay. Overall energy. Bottom of the deck, Ten of Pentacles. Wow, ang ganda nito. Because this is about financial stability. This is also your legacy. So, maaring ngayong second quarter ng 2024, you will be focusing on establishing yung iyong legacy, especially sa iyong career, sa business mo, sa mga properties mo. Meron kang mga bagong susubukan na exciting new beginnings. This makes sense kasi meron tayong solar eclipse in Aries ngayong April 8 to 9. So, exciting yan. Mga new beginnings. So, for your overall energy, you have the Ace of Swords. This is a new inspiration. This is new ideas, no? So, maaring mas magiging creative ka ngayong second quarter ng 2024. Marami kang mga bagong maiisip na pakulo. Mga bagong idea. Pwede rin susubok ka sa creative writing or you will be communicating more with a lot of people, no? With the Three of Cups, this is your challenge. Yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo mahiyain, no? Medyo magiging, babawasan yung pagiging mahiyain nyo. Lalo na kung ikaw ay may ine-establish na negosyo. So, importante sa business is yung connection, no? So, with the Three of Cups, this is your challenge to reach out to more people, connect with other people, be more friendly, no? Maaring you will be gaining new friends. Ayan, so ito rin ay mga celebration. So maaring meron kang mga isi-celebrate, especially ngayon, Aries season, no? So, happy birthday, happy solar return, yan. Wish you all the best. Oo. So, I see you also collaborating with others. So, yun nga, as a challenge, ito yung kailangan mong i-workout, no? Ngayong second quarter. Being more open. So, your opportunity, you have the Lovers. The Lovers is about commitment. Okay? So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, may opportunity kayo to have a commitment with someone, a romantic partner. Kung ikaw ay single, kung ikaw naman ay in a relationship, mas lalo mong patitibayin ang inyong relasyon with your person. And yung iba naman sa inyo, pwede itong business partnership, collaboration with others. Ayan, so energy ito ng Gemini. I also see acceptance eh. So maaaring merong opportunity to accept someone for who they really are. Oo, pagtanggap sa isang tao kung sino talaga sila. And yung iba sa inyo, decision making rin. Maaring meron kayong major decisions in terms of commitment, kung saan mo ibibigay ang iyong oras at panahon, whether this is romantic connection or a career or a business. So your blessing is the King of Swords. Meron kang sapat na kaalaman, wisdom, no, para makita kung ano ang makakabuti para sa'yo, para sa family mo. And I also see you na mas careful sa mga gagawin mo moving forward So, hindi ka magpapadalos-dalos. More on control ito. So, I think you're going to be controlling your emotions, your energies, na alam mong hindi siya overbearing na pwedeng annoying or nakakainis sa iba. So, some of you mas magiging metikuloso sa maraming bagay. And this is going to be a blessing to you kasi ibig sabihin yan, you are paying attention to detail. So, medyo maliit yung chance na magkamali ka. Oo. Kasi maingat na maingat ka. So, for your money, career, finances, wow. Tingnan mo, oh. 6 of Wands and the King of Pentacles, feminine energy. So, 6 of Wands is about celebration and also success. So, kung kayo ay may negosyo na out in the open, nasa social media, mas magiging successful yan. You will be gaining more attention. Kung ikaw naman ay social media influencer or content creator, you will gain more attention, more followers, more subscribers, more views, no? Mas maraming exposure sa'yo. And this is also going to bring you a lot of income, money, opportunities. So, ito yung pagkakaroon ng Midas touch na kung ano yung hawakan mo, yun ay magiging successful in terms of your career, in terms of your business. Okay? So, I think for some of you, it's the best time na maging self-employed or business enthusiast, no? Oo. Or pumasok sa pagnenegosyo. Kahit naman na ikaw ay merong corporate job, no? Employed ka, hindi naman yan dapat maglilimit sa'yo na magnegosyo on the side. Kasi pwede mong ipaasikaso yan sa family member or mismo ikaw kapag sa free time mo. 'Di ba? So, your love life, you have the 4 of Pentacles and the Empress. So, this is telling me na merong solid foundation ang iyong romantic relationships. Lalo na yung may family na, no? Some of you, pwedeng meron sa family ninyo na mabubuntis, magkakaanak, ayan, ngayong second quarter. And I also see you bonding more with your family, with your loved ones. So, mas magiging solid yung inyong samahan sa inyong family. So, yung iba naman sa inyo, if you are single, I see you focusing on your immediate family, yung parents mo, ganyan, mga kapatid mo, and also to yourself. Kasi the Empress is about self-love, self-care. Kumbaga, may mga gagawin ka sa sarili mo to improve your health, to improve your styling, to improve your looks. So, mas ka ngayon, mag-aayos. Ayan. Let's see what else for Aries. Ngayong second quarter ng 2024. Uy, may adventure, oh. Iba sa inyo, mag-travel sa, through, sa pamamagitan ng travel by, bodies of water. Oo. Ayan, yung iba sa inyo, may mga party sa yate, o diba, ang social yacht party. Yung iba naman, sasakay ng barko. May prosperity dito, no? You also have slingshot. May tension. Okay. So, I see this as pagiging, ready to take action. Kumbaga, meron kang certain focus, meron kang goal, no? May target ka, yun yung gusto mong ma-achieve. So, magiging focus ka sa mga goals mo. Okay. Let's see ano pa. For Aries. Physical touch. A tender touch can mean so much. So, I think ngayon, you will spend more time with your loved ones, no? Kung may mga anak ka na, you will be there for them. Alam mo yung tipong hindi lang aasikasuhin, but also you will do the cuddles na yung more on physical touch. And even if you are in a relationship, so mas magkakaroon kayo ng moments, intimate moments. Ayan, treasure your loved ones. Yes. So I think you will have more time with your family. Ngayong second quarter, importante sa iyo ngayon yung quality time with your loved ones, bonding moments. You are the image maker. What you focus on manifests. So, ayan yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, no? Yung slingshot. It's like, you have a certain goal, may target ka. So, kung ano man yung gusto mong ma-achieve, marating, magagawa mo yan, mamamanifest mo yan. As long as you are focused, no? Determined ka na ma-achieve mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!